This page has 930,000 followers, off just 48 posts. 48. One video hit 19 million views, another 12 million, and every single one of these glossy 4K dream worlds is 100% AI. No camera, no actors, no green screen. The page is called Another World Core, and this exact style, dreamy, liminal, slightly impossible worlds, is quietly exploding on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube right now. Theme pages like this are racking up millions of views almost on autopilot, and here's the part nobody tells you. Each of these takes one AI tool, one prompt, and zero editing. That's it. You don't sit in CapCut for 3 hours. You don't even really type much. By the end of this video, you'll be able to make one of these from scratch and start your own theme page, the kind you can grow fast and actually monetize on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. But, real talk, there's one step near the end that decides everything. Get it right and your video can do what this page is doing. Skip it, and even with perfect AI clips, you'll stall out at 300 views. Almost everyone gets it wrong, so do not click off early. Stay till the end. Alright, let me show you the one tool this entire thing runs on. So step 1. And don't overthink this. It's stupidly simple. It all starts with one prompt. I call it the master prompt. It's the thing that does all the heavy lifting for you. I'm putting it in the description/pinned comment below, so just drop a comment with the word world and I'll send it straight to you. Grab it, copy the whole thing, every line. Now open Claude AI. It's free, you don't need anything fancy. Paste that master prompt right in and hit generate, and watch what happens. Claude doesn't just sit there. It instantly hands you 10 ready-made video ideas, each one built for this exact dreamy viral style. This is the part that saves you. No staring at a blank screen wondering what world do I even make. It's done for you. Pick whichever one grabs you. Say I go with idea number 8. Copy that idea, paste it back in, hit generate one more time, and now Claude writes out the exact image prompts for that world. The ones we'll use to actually build the visuals. No design skill. No writing prompts yourself, it just appears. And right here is where most tutorials would hand you something that looks like a flat AI picture. We're not doing that, because now we take these prompts into the one tool that turns them into a living, moving 4K world. The next step is image generation. We're going to use Higgsfield AI to turn those prompts into actual images and videos, because this is where the magic really happens. Inside Higgsfield is a model called Seedance 2.0, and it runs in true 4K. Here's why that matters. You know how AI video used to look a little soft, a little fake, a little off? That's gone. This looks sharp, clean, real, like something you'd shoot with a real camera. Honestly, half the time you can't tell if it's real or AI anymore. And it's not just pretty. Your worlds stay consistent shot to shot. The sound is built right in and it exports watermark-free in whatever size you need. 9:16 for Reels, 16:9 for YouTube, done. So that's our one tool for the whole thing. Now let me show you how to actually generate your first world inside it. Okay, now we actually build the world. Follow this exactly. It's easy, but the order matters. First, open Higgsfield and sign up. Links in the description, it's free to get in. Once you're logged in, you'll see an image option up top. Click it, then hit Create Image. That opens the main interface. Now look for the Model button. Click it, and you'll see a bunch of AI models. GPT Image 2, Nano Banana Pro, a few others. I go with Nano Banana Pro. It's the cleanest for this style. Select it. Next, jump back to Claude. Copy your first image prompt and paste it into the prompt box here. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16, that's vertical, for Reels and Shorts, and set the number of images to 2. Trust me, 2 is the sweet spot. Enough to choose from, not so many you're drowning in options. Hit generate, and boom, your first shots of the world are ready. Pick the best one. Remember which one, because this is where the trick comes in. Here's the part almost everyone misses. To make every shot look like the same world, same colors, same vibe, same character, you don't just generate each image fresh. You take your best image, drag it straight into the prompt box as a reference, then paste in your next prompt from Claude, prompt number 2. Leave every other setting alone. Hit generate. That one move is what gives you character and world consistency, so your video actually looks like one continuous place instead of 10 random AI clips stitched together. That's the difference between amateur and viral. Then you just rinse and repeat. Best image in next prompt from Claude, generate. Best image in next prompt, generate. Walk down your whole list until every shot is done. And just like that, all my images are generated, all matching, all 4K. The world's built. But these are still images. Beautiful, but frozen. Now comes the step that brings the whole thing to life, and this is the one I told you about at the start, the one most people get wrong. Get it wrong, and the whole thing falls apart. So watch closely. Up top, hover over the video option, and you'll see Seedance 2.0 4K. Click it. A new interface opens up. First thing, click Upload. A little tab slides open on the right, choose Image Generator, and there are the images you made in the last step. Remember you made 2 per prompt, pick the better one and upload it. Now set your model to Seedance 2.0 and crank the quality to 4K. Don't skip the 4K, that's the whole reason this looks real instead of like every other soft AI video out there. Now jump back to Claude. Remember at the very end Claude asked if you wanted video prompts. Type yes in the box and hit generate. boom. In a few seconds, Claude writes a custom video prompt for every single image you made. It's basically directing the motion for you. And here's the part almost everyone gets wrong. You cannot just grab any prompt and slap it on any image. Each video prompt belongs to its own image. So, upload image 1, copy video prompt 1, paste it in. Upload image 2, copy video prompt 2. Match them exactly, every time. Mismatch them, and the motion fights the picture. The AI gets confused, your character morphs, the world glitches. That's the mistake that buries people at 300 views. Keep them paired, and every clip moves clean and consistent. Then scroll down to duration. Claude already told you how long each clip should be when it wrote the prompt. 5 seconds, 10 seconds, whatever it said. Match it. Set your resolution and hit generate, and we're off. Your first clip is generating. While it cooks, don't just sit there. Upload the next image, grab the next matching video prompt from Claude, paste it, set the duration, and generate. Stack them up. Then you just repeat it down the whole list. Image, matching prompt, 4K, generate, until every shot is a moving clip. And there it is, 5 clips, all of them rendering in crisp 4K. Look at the screen, look at that quality. That's not a camera, that's AI, and it's yours. Now we've got a folder full of gorgeous 4K clips. There's just one last thing standing between this and a video that actually goes viral, and it's faster than you think. Last step, and it's the easy one. Download your 4K clips from Higgsfield, open CapCut, it's free, and drop them on the timeline in order. Then 3 quick touches, a transition between each clip, a couple of effects, and music. Honestly, the music is half the vibe on these. Hit export and it's saved, ready to post on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. Everything I used is in the description, and the master prompt's yours if you comment. Now, let's watch the final result.